Tree pose, Vrksasana. From mountain pose, take a deep breath in. Breathe out, shift your weight to your right foot, open the left knee, and just start by pressing your left foot into your right ankle. Maybe stay here as you bring your hands to your heart. Steady your gaze, steady your breath, steady your mind. Now, if this feels easy, try sliding the left foot up the right calf, or use the help of the left hand, bring the left foot to the inner right thigh. Or if you're really open in the hips, try crossing that left foot over the right hip crease. Hands to heart, deep breath in. Breathe out, grow your branches, reaching the arms up and out. Now, if you want more of a challenge, try closing your eyes. And it's important to try tree pose on both sides. Tree pose, Vrksasana on the left side. From mountain pose, take a deep breath in. Breathe out, shift your weight to your left foot, open the right knee. Start by just sliding your right foot to your left ankle. If that feels stable, maybe bring your right foot to your left calf. Use the help of your hand, bring the foot to the inner thigh, or cross your right foot over your left hip crease. Hands to heart, take a deep inhale. And breathe out, grow your tree branches, reaching your hands up and out. Steady your gaze, steady your breath, steady your mind. For more of a challenge, try closing the eyes. Tree pose, Vrksasana.